Greetings and salutations. You're watching Paracord stuff. Today we're making the Paralix. We're working with two different colors, red and blue. Both of them at 4 foot. Now, on the blue, go from the back up through. The red, over the top, through and down. We attach it. Now, start off with the red. Over the top, the blue going over, under everything, and up between the red. Now, red, kind of make like a zigzag here. Blue goes over everything, under, and it comes up through the red, and just cinch everything up, make it tight. Now it's going to be pretty much like a traditional Cobra. You do 2 and then 1. Red going over the top, blue over under everything, come up through the red. Okay, going the other direction. Red still, please. Red over the top. Blue over the red, under, and up through the red. Now, again, kind of zigzag the red. Blue going over, up, back through the red. And then back we tie. Now you see the weave and you see the pattern. It's 2 Cobras and then over. Red always leads, blue always crosses over. Red over the top, blue over the red, under everything, and up through the red. Tight, cinch. Red over, blue over the red, under, and up through the red. Okay. Zigzag. Red again, blue over, come up through, and tighten. Okay. Red over, the top, blue over the red, under everything, and up through the red.